In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts, leads, and opportunities in GoHighLevel. To begin, head over to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account to open your dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're in, we'll start with your contact database. On the left-hand menu, click Contacts. This brings up your full list of saved contacts. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find a specific person by name, email, or phone number. This is especially handy when your list gets large and you need to jump straight to the right record. To add someone new, click Add Contact and fill out their details. If you're updating an existing record, simply select that contact to open their profile for editing. Here, you can update key fields like name, email, phone number, and tags. Keeping this information accurate helps with automation, messaging, and reporting. When entering phone numbers, use the correct country format to avoid delivery issues with calls or texts, and be sure to save your changes as you go. Tags and notes are your best friends for organization. Add descriptive tags to group contacts by interest, source, campaign, or status. Use notes to capture call summaries, objections, or follow-up reminders. Clear tagging and note-taking make it easier to personalize outreach and hand off work to teammates without missing context. Next, open opportunities from the left-hand menu to view your sales pipeline. This visual board shows where each lead stands in your process. To create a new opportunity, click Add Opportunity, choose the contact it belongs to, and assign it to the correct pipeline stage, such as New Lead or Qualified. Selecting the right stage from the start keeps your pipeline clean and meaningful. As leads progress, drag and drop opportunities from one stage to another, moving them toward a win. This makes it simple to track momentum at a glance and spot bottlenecks. For each opportunity, click into update details like value, status, and the assigned user. Keeping these fields current helps with forecasting, accountability, and prioritization. Within both contacts and opportunities, monitor the activity timeline to review updates, notes, and changes. This running history ensures you always know what happened last and what needs to happen next. Finally, use filters and pipelines to manage leads efficiently. Filter by tag, stage, status, or owner to focus on exactly what matters today. With consistent data and clear organization, you'll move faster and close more deals. Thanks for watching.